morning, students. Welcome to the digital classroom with Holy Heart Schools. Today, we are going to discuss chapter Famous Literary Works. Some authors have become world famous because their literary works have touched many human hearts. Now, in this chapter, we will be discussing about some authors whose work have become world famous. Most of the literary works are created by poets or author. An author is a creator of any written work such as novels or play. Their work can be real or piece of an imagination that greatly influence our life. Now, in this chapter we are going to talk about some of the influential authors and their literary works. Before we start, let us know the meaning of literary work. Literary work is a piece of art. It can be defined as a branch of literature dealing with the words as a raw material to create a picture, an idea, or a story in a meaningful pattern. So let's start with George Bernard Shaw. He was an Irish playwright, a critic, and a political activist. He had a great impact on the Western theatre and culture. His literary works includes The Man of Destiny. This book is based on theme Nobody is Born Great. Next we have Major Barbara. It is based on the conflicting social and moral ethics. One is realistic and another is idealistic. Next we have The Arms and the Man. It is based on the nature of love and war. It is about the reality and false image. The next famous author includes Leo Tolstoy. He was a Russian author and considered as the world's greatest novelist. His novels were the source of education and reform. His popular works include Resurrection. This is the last completed novel by Leo Tolstoy. It is an intimate psychological tale of guilt, anger, and forgiveness. His another work includes War and Peace. It is one of the best work of Leo Tolstoy. It is based on Russian society and backdrop of 1812, that is Napoleon's army's invasion. Next work includes Anna Karenina. This is based on love and jealousy. The next famous author includes Mark Twain. Mark Twain is an American writer, businessman, and a lecturer. He is known as the father of American literature. His famous work includes Adventure of Tom Sawyer. It is based on joys of childhood when the world is full of wonders and children are free of responsibilities. His another work includes Adventure of Huckleberry Finn. It is all about the conflict between civilization and natural life that is free from rules and discipline. His another work includes Mysterious Stranger. This book revolves around the dreams and imagination. He considered dreams as magic and we can do and be anything in our dreams. Next we have Jane Austen. She was an English novelist. Her novels are rich in comedy, romance, humor, wit, and realism. Her literary works includes Mansfield Park. This book is based on the development and collapse of social relationship and slavery. The next important book written by her is Pride and Prejudice. It is based on the theme of discrimination, reputation, and class. Next we have Ruskin Bond. He is an Indian author of British descent. His works are recognized by Indian Council of Child Education as they play vital role in the growth of children literature in India. His important works are number 1, Handful of Nuts. It is about the boys who entered the age of adolescence and their activities. Next we have An Island of Trees. It insists on need to plant more and more trees to make Earth survive. Next one is The Angry River. It is linked with the theme Never Give Up and natural havocs and their impact on human life. The last but not the least, the important author includes Thomas Hardy. He is an English novelist and poet. His novels are influenced by Romanticism and the poetry of William Wordsworth. His literary works includes Far from the Mating Ground. It is based on the fate. According to him, man's choices do not affect one's life. His another work includes The Mayor of Casterbridge. It is all about the pride and resistance to change. It also covers the theme regret. His next work is The Return of the Native. It is about the man and the natural world that includes health, superstition, and traditions. Now, at the end, we can say that these authors and their literary works have great influence on human life. So now students, I have discussed all about the authors and their literary works. Now please try to solve the exercises. Thank you.